Welcome back to Dish Nation.
Welcome.
Yes, honey. Now, the May issue of Glamour magazine is the money issue and has one of our favorites on the cover, Miss Melissa McCarthy.
Yes, it's so funny.
Yes, honey. Now, within just 5 years of her breakout role in Bridesmaid, Forbes ranked Melissa as the third highest paid woman in Hollywood.
Wow. Okay. Is she making more than Monique? Shade. Just a question.
And in the article, wait a minute now, Miss Erica, girl. Now, and in the article, honey, y'all, Melissa says success is sweeter after a long struggle. She said, quote, I think the best thing that I could have done was struggle until I was 30. She said, I always assume every job is my last, honey. 20 years of desperately trying to get a single job gets deep in your DNA.
No, I think the struggle does give you something. I think also if you get it too fast, you don't really know how to handle it. You don't appreciate it as much. Yeah. Because what people don't realize is that the no's don't ever stop, because I think that was one of the stumbling blocks in my career is that like my first time out the gate, like I tried stand-up comedy, right? Mm-hmm. My first time out the gate, went to the J Spot, got a standing ovation. I was like, I'm nailing it. I'm killing it. The next 3 times I went up, people were like, right.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely. I really appreciate the struggle because it's working out. When you're working out, it's hard to work out, but you're strong at the end. And what don't kill you only make you stronger. So the struggle is always good because it builds character.
But it's hard for me to relate to that, though, because I'm still struggling, so I don't know
where. Where?
So.
Don't make us call you out.
Oh, come on, that shirt.
I can't. Oh, my God.